Welcome to my new blog post 17. And in this blog post, I'm going to discuss about uh, how we can actually get uh, top n values from our visual, how we can actually set that. Uh, so let's start. So in order to understand this, I have created a uh, stack bar chart, and this stack bar chart basically contains two values. Like on the vertical axis, it contains the name of various products, and there are so many that you can actually see. And then on the x-axis, the unit price is actually coming in. So what if I would like to see the top 20 products with respect to the unit price? How can I actually do that? So let's learn about it. So for this, I need to go to the filters, and from the uh, filters on this visual, I need to select like what filter type should I uh, have this. Like right now I have three options: advanced filtering, basic filtering, and top end. So I will select the top end, and then I will write 20 over here. Sorry. Um, 20 over here. And um, right now there will be no impact on the filter if I will not give something over here, over here, like with respect to which value I would like to see. So I would like to see the top n products with respect to the unit price. So if I say this, so for this I need to go to the fields, I need to go to the sales, and then I need to pick the unit price and drag it over here. And then I will click on the apply filter, and you will see that right now there are only 10 products coming in on my y-axis. Sorry, 20 products, top 20 products. So what about like choosing the highest one with respect to the unit price? So if I write a one over here and I will click on the apply filter, I will get the highest product with respect to the unit price. So this is one way to look into the things. This filter also gives you another option, which is like a bottom. Like I need to see the lowest value or the least value coming from the bottom with respect to the unit price. So when I will apply the bottom filter, I can click on the apply filter after setting the value, and I will get the value which is actually at the least unit price value, which is actually, uh, if I say like it's more than $1. Now, what if I would like to see the last 20 or the least 20 values? So when I will click on the apply filter, it will give me the least 20 values, uh, coming from highest to lowest, sorted with respect to the highest and the lowest values of the unit price. So this is basic concept of the unit of the top end filter by utilizing the stack bar chart. So I hope so you have understood the concept. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share my YouTube channel.